So this is 17th May 2023, another beautiful day for Nifty and Bank Nifty options buyers. So I have made around 32,000 in the first 1 hour 15 minutes of the market, which is almost 8% of the capital. So let's jump right into the video to understand the levels which will be respected in the second half of the market and also which will be applicable for 18th May 2023. So stay tuned till the end of the video so that you will have an idea about how to execute your trades and you can make a good profit out of it. Thank you. So market opened in a 44-point gap up, and as you can see, market tried to move down and it is sustaining above the level of 43,900 and is kind of consolidating in the 1 minute chart. That means the level is between 43,996 and 43,817. So let me tell you the trade setup for the day. So generally, if the first candle or first few candles are not broken, I mean the low of first few candles are not broken, then we can expect the assets price to move up from there. But right now, clearly the same scenario is happening, but there has been no power or momentum for the asset to move up. So until today's day high or low is broken, we cannot go for a trade. And also I don't think Bank Nifty is going to sustain above this level. So be very careful when you are taking the trades for the day. But if it is powerfully breaking above day's high and if it is sustaining above 44,000, then we can go for a buy in CE, or else we can wait for the first 30 or 45 minutes to market to stabilize, and then we'll take the calls accordingly. So at around 9:56 I have bought 43,700 PE. Around here I have bought this. So you might say that I have bought it at a low. It is because since these earlier lows are broken, I was sure that Bank Nifty is going to go down on the correction. So what I did was I bought 900 quantities at this point, and I have waited for Bank Nifty to come at this point. That is around 10:17. I have averaged it with another 500 quantities. So this is the PNL that you can see right here, and Bank Nifty is going to fall down from this level if the day low is broken. So yeah, let's see what is going to happen with Bank Nifty today. Since I have averaged my position from 43,930, that is so precisely let's look into what the prices was at that point. So around 43,920 I've averaged my position with 500 quantities. I was not planning to do it for 900 quantities because if Bank Nifty is moving higher, then I'll have to average with another 400 quantities, which will put me into profits. So this is the order value that you can see here. I can refresh it and just show you. So at 9:56 I have bought 43,700 PE, averaged it with 500 quantities at 43,700 PE at 10:17, sorry. Then at 10:27 I have booked my profits separately, 9 plus, that is 900 plus 500. Right now I'm sure that Bank Nifty is going to go further down and I could have made a good fortune out of it, but again I generally stick on to 20 to 25 points in a day. So this is well and good for me. So when Bank Nifty moved up above 930, there was a range shift that I can only take carry forwardable positions and the range was between 43,800 and 44,100. So that's why I couldn't average this at around 286. Otherwise I would have captured this move at 286 because I'd like to play in the same strike. So there are high chances that Bank Nifty can take this level, that is around 43,736 as a support, and if that is broken, then the major trend line that we have plotted in yesterday's video, that can also be restricted. If that is also broken, we can expect Bank Nifty to move down to 43,500, which can act as a psychological support, and also that area between 43,500 and 43,700 has been respected multiple times before. So this area can be an area of consolidation. And also looking at RSI, RSI shows that this can be a double bottom, but looking at the trend and overall sentiment of the market, we cannot rely on the indicator based trades. So this is the trend that will be active for the time being. And also when you plan for your trades, if this trend line is broken, then we can expect Bank Nifty uh, moving to 44,000. That is still here. If that is also broken, then the next level would be 44,100 and 100 to 44,120, which was the all-time high of Bank Nifty. I mean, yes, the all-time high which was respected in the previous 2 days. So this is the condition with Bank Nifty, and clearly I'm sure that Bank Nifty is going to come down if the day's low is broken. And also one other important level can be 4366 650 to 670. Yes, this level can be a good support, because this has been a swing high and swing low in the previous day, so that can also be an area of support, and from there Bank Nifty can take a reversal, and today is the day to play on the reversals. So if Bank Nifty touches 43,668, then we can expect Bank Nifty to go up from there. If it moves up from that point, then from a high you can go for a sell. Since Bank Nifty has moved down by almost 200 points today already, and if this low is not broken, that is around if 43,600 to 43,700 is not broken, then there can be a small recovery in Bank Nifty where you can play your reversal trades. So please plan your trades accordingly. And also we'll be launching a complete stock market series wherein we'll be teaching you from the absolute basics to advanced options, and also we'll be supporting you in the live trades as well. So we'll be starting the course in the next 2 months, so stay tuned to the channel. Also please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that we will get our video updates on timely basis. So thanks for watching again. Bye.